Demonstrate proper procedure for using a metric ruler. Meter is the basic unit of length. Metric ruler is the instrument. One tool use a measuring length millimeters. How to measure? Measure the distance between 2 points. Always place the stick on or next to the object. Do not measure from the end of the stick. For small object, look at the meter stick and the object being measured straight on, not from the other side. Put the zero mark of the ruler at the one of the points. The zero mark is not always at the end of the ruler. Read the distance mark of the ruler. Count the number of marked units between the points. Estimate the remainder of the distance and the tenths of the smallest marked unit. Read the distance in one measurement unit. For example, read 4.5 centimeters or 45 millimeters, but never 4 cm and 5 millimeters. Record the distance in the measured unit or its equivalent units of the length. Estimate one place beyond the capability of the ruler if the needs point does not fall exactly on a line. Only use decimal points. This is a start of it. You need to make sure you have a metric ruler, and most ruler you find have the both metric centimeters as well as inches. You can tell centimeter and inches apart because centimeters are smaller and inches a lot bigger, and the graduation are the little difference. Okay, so you want to look and see the symbols. This is a centimeter. You flip this over. This would say inches is we want centimeters. The next thing note is the one of note is that on this one there is a little space with no line before the zero. Some rulers don't have that. You need to find where is the zero, is the start, is, and for this one, it's right there. Want to get this lined up right here. Next to it is. So here we are looking at this line right here, and you can see I am trying to line that up as close as I can rather. So we know that is now. You'll notice there are 10 lines between the zero, those are millimeters. There are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. So my ruler is not 1 cm. It starts at 10 centimeter, but it's the same to 1 centimeter. So if we go across, we can see that this goes all the way up. So my ruler is not 1 centimeter. It starts at 10 centimeters, but it's the same to 1 centimeter. So 40, so we line up. So we can see is 14 centimeters. So keep this on here. We're going to look down there and we're going to see where the line ends up. So you move it in, and we can look this right here on, and it's between 14 and 15. So this would be 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 millimeters. So 14.5 centimeter. So this line, as we see it, how many millimeters is that? Well, we can tell how many millimeters it is by how many centimeter it is. It doesn't have to be that complicated. We just move the decimal one place over there. So 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. This would give us 145 millimeter. So 14.5 centimeters and 145 millimeters. Okay, let's try another line. This line right here, put it right here on the 0. Now, what do you think this one measures? That where you see that one ending. Now, this one are going to say it's 3. Wait. So 3.3 centimeter. So how many millimeters is that? You are moved that decimal over one place. That so this is 33 millimeters. Okay, that's the basic on how to use the metric ruler, right? You need to the metric ruler. Make sure you're using this side with centimeters. Then make sure that you are writing down your units, and you can do it in centimeters and millimeters.